before humanity dared to speak the names of gods. There was silence, and in that silence, pressure, Zeth, the separation. In the beginning, heaven and earth were locked together, crushed in eternal stillness. Above was Anno, endless and cold. Below was Ki, heavy and fertile. They were fused, bound, suffocating. Then came the storm. Not wind as we know it, but a violent conscious force, a scream that tore existence apart. His name was Enlil. With unimaginable fury, he drove himself between heaven and earth. He forced them apart. The sky was ripped upward. The earth was cast below, and between and space was bored. The first wind that ever blew across creation was Enlil's breath, and it carried authority, the throne of fear. In the ancient city of Nigbor, mortals built a temple they called Eka, the mountain house. But it was no ordinary temple. It was a throne room. From there, Enlil decided which kings would rise and which would be erased. He was not a distant god of light. He was pressure in the sky before a storm. He was the unnatural stillness before destruction. When crops flourished, it was because he allowed it. When cities vanished beneath dust and ruin, it was because he willed it. No one loved Enlil. They feared him. And fear is a powerful form of worship. Rhyme the judgment of mankind. But humanity multiplied. They built, they shouted, they celebrated. Their noise rose into the heavens and Enlil heard it. To him, there was chaos, disorder, arrogance. So he made a decision that would stain the memory of the gods forever. He would silence them. Clouds gathered unnaturally fast. The air thickened, the wind stopped. Then came the rain, not gentle rain, endless rain. Rivers consumed their banks. Cities drowned in darkness. Mountains disappeared beneath black water. This was not weather, it was judgment. Yet in secret, the cunning god Enki betrayed him, whispering to one mortal to build a vessel against the coming doom. When the flood finally ended, humanity still breathed, and Enlil saw them, small, broken, trembling beneath the vast sky he ruled. His fury cooled, not from mercy, but from realization. Total destruction leaves nothing to rule. So he imposed order, he stacked limits, mortality, boundaries. Humanity would survive, but never again would they forget who controlled the wind, the ever-present storm. To the ancient world of Mesopotamia, Enlil was not myth. He was the invisible force pressing against the skin before lightning strikes. He was the howl in the night, the door that slams without reason, the sky that darkens too quickly even now. When the wind rises suddenly, when the air feels charged with something unseen, when storms roll in with unnatural silence before the first thunder cracks. Some believe it is not weather, it is will. The will of Enlil, watching, measuring, waiting for humanity to grow loud again.